Hey, what's up everybody? So the purpose of this video that I'm making right now is to show you guys how I play these morning fade patterns. I'm going to be including some live trading probably in like a minute or two on how I profited on CLDX. Quick rundown, it was this red day that we're playing right now. As I zoom in on the 1 minute chart, I kind of panicked in the morning. Had a double bottom and broke through support, and then it just started fading for the rest of the morning. And my entry was, I was off the bottom by 4 cents of the entire day. Off the entire low of day, I was off by 4 cents. I got at 771, and the low of day was 767. And then I sold somewhere around here in the the A30s. But as you can see, it got up to the $10. So the reason why I'm saying this, why I'm including this, is because if you like this content right here, if you guys want to know how to play morning panics and morning fades, I'm making a guide, like a quick 2-hour DVD on everything I know about how to play these fades, how to play panics. So if you guys hit that like and subscribe button, you'll be the first ones to be notified when that DVD is coming out. It'll be super cheap because I know that a lot of stock material could get quite pricey. I'm gonna make sure that it's something that everyone can afford, so hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned to see how I played CLDX this morning. So CLDX isn't panicking, it's fading. It could be really tricky depending how you play this. If you're gonna be averaging down, you gotta be careful because your average could get higher than the bottom, and you could lose a ton of money that way if you're averaging in. So you got to be careful where you're buying, where the bottom is. So I bought some at 771. I don't know if that's the bottom or not, but I think it's getting close to it. Also, IZEA is doing the exact same thing. If it could break 256, that'd be unreal. Because then that'd be the exact same trade that I'm doing on CLDX. So it looks like it's bouncing. It got past the 8s, which is kind of good, kind of bad. I wish I had a bigger position. I got in at 771, thinking that it's about to find the bottom, but I didn't think it was the bottom. And my plan was to average in at certain levels, but now that it kind of bounced, I mean, it's good. I have a half position right now, so I might try to take some in the 830s. Well, it got into the 40s, so maybe I might see how it holds up. So I got I filled at 833. That was good. I'm happy with that exit. I just don't want to go too aggressive on this right now. Even though I got the bottom, I'm pretty happy with those profits. Made about 60 cents a share, so pretty close to 10%. Pretty happy with that. Yeah, so that's how I was able to play CLDX this morning. A little bit more on that DVD that I'll be releasing, like the 2-hour guide. So I'll be including trades like CLDX, everything that I'm looking for, the criterias for morning panics, morning fades. And one of the things I'll be including in there is how not to get faked out in these little panic bounces right here. So if you were able to catch the exact bottom on this panic right here and the exact top, that would be a decent profit. But what are the chances that you're going to get the exact bottom and the exact top? That's why I wasn't really tempted to get into this bounce right here. When I looked at this chart, I just thought that I would wait for it to play out, get it at possibly the low of day, which I got it, and sell for like a 10% profit. It would have been awesome if I got it sold in the 10s, but like I said in the live trading, I wasn't really aggressive on this one. And honestly, I had no idea that it could climb up to the 10s, but that's awesome, especially if anyone did catch that bounce, man. Congrats to you guys. Another trade I made was on SSFT, except I wasn't recording when I made this trade. Pretty much just got it on the panic, nothing big. I think it was only a 7% profit on it, so nothing big on that one. Didn't miss out too much, but Yeah, so if you guys like this video, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content like this, and you guys will be posted for that guide to come out. Thanks for listening.